This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Country Cottage looks almost new. It is situated on approximately 0.46 acre in a convenient location between Shelby and Kings Mountain. The home is currently used as an Air BnB. It is built with an open floor plan and has neutral colors throughout. Kitchen has breakfast bar and dining area. Refrigerator, washer and dryer all remain. The primary suite has a large walk-in closet. The home has a single garage and concrete drive. The storage building remains. This is a must-see. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-7653.